In today's interconnected world, long-distance relationships have become increasingly common. Whether due to work, education, or other commitments, couples often find themselves separated by geographical distance. While maintaining a strong and healthy relationship across miles can present challenges, with the right approach and mindset, it's entirely possible to thrive in a long-distance relationship. This guide aims to provide you with valuable tips and tricks to navigate the complexities of maintaining a successful long-distance relationship. 1. Open and honest communication. Effective communication forms the foundation of any successful relationship, and in a long-distance setting, it becomes even more crucial. Establish open channels of communication where both partners feel comfortable discussing their feelings, thoughts, and concerns. Regular video calls, phone conversations, and messages can bridge the physical gap, helping you stay connected emotionally. 2. Set clear expectations. Clarify your expectations and goals for the relationship. Discuss matters such as frequency of communication, visits, and the ultimate goal of being together. Having a shared understanding of where the relationship is headed can prevent misunderstandings and uncertainty down the road. 3. Plan visits in advance. Physical presence is essential in nurturing a connection. Plan visits ahead of time to spend quality time together. Knowing when you'll see each other next can provide a sense of excitement and anticipation, helping you both stay motivated to overcome the challenges of distance. 4. Embrace technology. Make the most of technology to bridge the gap. Aside from video calls, consider watching movies or TV shows together, playing online games, or even cooking the same recipe simultaneously. Sharing these experiences can create a sense of togetherness despite the physical separation. 5. Develop trust. Trust forms the cornerstone of any healthy relationship, and it's especially vital in long-distance ones. Maintain transparency and avoid situations that could lead to misunderstandings. Building trust requires time and effort, but it's essential for the relationship's longevity. 6. Avoid excessive jealousy. Jealousy can be a natural emotion in long-distance relationships, but excessive jealousy can strain the connection. Instead of focusing on potential threats, concentrate on the strong bond you share. Cultivate confidence in your partner and the relationship you've built. 7. Pursue individual passions. Being apart doesn't mean giving up on personal growth and interests. Encourage each other to pursue individual passions and goals. This not only enriches your lives, but also gives you more to share when you do communicate. 8. Create shared experiences. Despite the distance, find ways to create shared experiences. Read the same book, try a new recipe together, or even embark on a virtual tour of a museum. Sharing these moments fosters a sense of intimacy and connection. 9. Send surprise gifts. Surprise gestures can make a world of difference. Sending unexpected gifts or handwritten letters demonstrates your love and thoughtfulness. Even small tokens can make your partner feel cherished and valued. 10. Be patient and flexible. Long-distance relationships can be challenging, and there will be tough times. Patience and flexibility are key virtues. Understand that there will be moments of frustration, but approach difficulties as a team, working together to find solutions. 11. Develop a routine. Having a routine for communication and spending time together can create a sense of stability. Knowing when you'll connect next reduces anxiety and uncertainty, allowing you both to focus on other aspects of your lives. 12. Stay positive and focus on the future. Maintain a positive outlook and focus on the future when you'll be together again. Visualizing your shared goals and aspirations can help both partners remain motivated and optimistic. 13. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or even a therapist if needed. Sometimes an outside perspective can offer valuable insights and advice. 14. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate anniversaries, achievements, and special occasions, even from a distance. Virtual celebrations can be just as meaningful and help you feel connected during significant moments. 15. Keep the intimacy alive. Intimacy goes beyond physical closeness. Maintain emotional intimacy through heartfelt conversations, sharing your dreams, and expressing your affection regularly. In conclusion, while long-distance relationships require effort and commitment, they can thrive with the right strategies. Open communication, trust, and a willingness to adapt are key components of a successful long-distance relationship. By embracing technology, maintaining individual growth, and fostering shared experiences, you can nurture a strong bond that transcends distance. Remember that challenges are a natural part of any relationship, but with patience, understanding, and love, you can overcome them and build a lasting connection that stands the test of time and miles.